All right. So the manga utisa on plus. This structure is going down today. Huh?
Yeah, hello, wonderful viewers. Hello to our beautiful subscribers. We are sending you our warm greetings from wherever you are watching us from. This is your favorite channel, Smile Gambia. So we are back here once again into another very interesting video. So today, right now, we are at Bakau, as you can see, the Bakau Independence Stadium right there. So we are here as usual with the Operation Clear the Road team. So work is about to commence very shortly. So yes, just as usual, stay with us. We will bring you the detailed coverage of whatever that is happening here. We are at Bakau right now, as you can see. That is the stadium right there. So yes, if you are new to the platform, you can just like, subscribe, and share our video. And to our beautiful subscribers, keep liking, keep sharing. Stay with us, guys.
Yeah, so we want to talk to somebody who will talk.
Assalamu alaikum.
Malaikum salam.
How are you?
Good time to yourself.
You're welcome.
And how is the business?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, this is the task force clearing the road.
Okay.
Today we are on here. This is the Independence Stadium Road. We believe you're the one who put the structures down there. That's block of flower pot, flower bats.
Yes.
All around, right? Yes. It needs to go down.
Okay.
All right. The block work needs to go down. The flowering whatsoever needs to be controlled. That is ornamentation.
Okay.
The ornamentation, that is the decoration, comes with a certificate,
Okay.
a permit.
Okay.
And if we are given a permit, it will stipulate it on the permit that no permanent structures has to be done there.
Okay.
It should be removable one. And if we are to do flowering, it should not exceed certain heights.
Okay.
So we are to control. Yes, you have a good intention to purify the road corridor, but in as much as it should be within the laws or the option given to you. This one is beyond the block work. It's not part of it. So you take up all the block works around.
From where to where?
From the fence. From your
Are
fence.
you in the fence?
Yes, from your fence, the block work that goes around everywhere up to the edge here.
Okay, but nothing with the middle side.
The middle size,
It's fine.
that one is, it only needs to be controlled.
Okay.
That's what I said. The
Okay.
flowers that you're going to put there, let it not be permanent or trees that will cover or,
No. These
or
are
whatsoever.
just decorative.
All right?
Yeah.
Decoration, let it stay as decoration. But the block work that goes around this the fencing has to go. All right?
From here.
Yes.
Going round.
all the way. Round.
Okay. All right.
All right.
We'll do that.
So that's why we're here.
Inshallah.
Okay.
We'll do that. So we have to find people to bring it down, or you?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
You do it within the 24 hours time framework. Not to finish
Not
everything.
today. It can be today.
Not to finish everything. The 24 hours time frame that the work has to start.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, because today is already late. I need to find my song to do that. He
Well,
just
let it still be in 24 hours.
All right. Okay,
Yes.
I'll do it tomorrow.
Please.
Inshallah.
Let it be 24 hours. I will start doing something.
No
all right?
problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Very good. The generator is owned by you?
Yes.
The generator, the position of the generator, you put the generator in your premises, so not outside your premises. So you have to look for a place where to put the generator.
But the generator doesn't have a space there. That's why we put it here.
Yeah. It is not. It should not be on the road.
Green? So here is the road.
Anything outside your fence is a road. The road starts from your fence line to the other fence line. It's called the road corridor.
Okay, but can I turn it the other way? Because that's the only place I can leave.
If you don't,
Can I turn it like
if
this?
you're going to put it, it still has to be within your premises. That means this flower pot, you take the flower pot out
Okay.
and you align it with your building.
All right.
Then you see you're still within your premises. All right, that's the positioning.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. All right, we done.
Will you kindly introduce yourself?
I'm Mr. Ibrahim Davo, the Deputy Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Communication and Digital Economy.
All right, thank you, Honorable Mr. Ibrahim Davo. Today we are at Bakau. We make a surprise visit to, I believe this is your building, the department you work in, your office per se. So yes, as a Minister of Digital Economy, what are your general impressions about the ongoing Operation Clear the Road?
I think it's a laudable achievement, especially when you are at a distance with the parkings, with the type of corrugated buildings and the containers standing at different spots. It's also difficult to see a distance ahead. So I think it's advisable if some of these areas can be clear and the road corridors can be free. It will also prevent road accidents and difficulties of the public generally. I think it's a laudable achievement.
But in the public point of view, there is a general misconception that there are contrasting opinions to this exercise that is going on. People are having opposing views about it, politicizing it, What are your views on that too?
It depends on individuals' opinions, but I think it's important to leave road corridors, for easy movement of people. Basically, this would have been done much earlier, before the establishment of some of these decorations or fences around buildings. But it's all lack of consultations. But I think it's never too late to do any good thing at the right time. So if the authorities decided that the road should be clear, visibility should be possible, people should be free having movements of vehicles and individuals, I think it's a laudable achievement. I commend whoever is behind this as something that we all need to support to achieve.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Plus, authority ñëw check na da nga am sa own plus ci job, then ñu soga la jox GD certificate. Why which you did not have, honestly. So yow warloo jaay auto bi. Ci kaw yoon bi moo tax nga indi sa auto yi, park leen ci kaw yoon bi. And the garage, sa garage fii nii ci kaw yoon bi la. Alright? Fence line bi fële la yem, beneen fence line, yow this is a road reserve. Façon business bi nii cannot be obtained here. Da nga am certificate pour loolu tamit.
Well, Maxi process.
Amuloo. You can never have. Boobu doo ko am. That one no go area. You don't have to even start it. Kenn du la permit pour nga ñëw fii. Alright? So dama nga uti sa own place. Tey da nga génn fii. This structure is going down today. Loo am fii yëpp you start arranging and move. Sa bagage yi dañu bari. We operate within 24 hours. Why you man la jox within 24 hours nga start moving out your sa bagage. All right? Tomorrow bu ñëwaatee fii nii ñu fekk auto yi ñu mel nii. This is how they are. Obviously we go with you. All right? and we will process you before the law. And they start pulling your cars. Violent ligging in Kumasi, the full center for India. Alright? Today, the whole of today, up to evening, and I'll be monitoring here. So starting from now today, we'll start pulling your cars again. Alright? Okay. And we'll gain a fini, we'll them to be in Ruhabi, because they're not funny. Them are not Uti Palace, not Sikau Yon. Alright? Let it be now, today. Boya.
So yes, guys, this is a car park. As you can see, it's such a very big car park. There is a fleet, a fleet of cars here. So this guy is also operating his business, unfortunately, in the road corridor. So you have just overheard the team leader and the director of this operation, that is Mr. Mane, telling him that he also have to move these cars away from this space because it's in the road corridor. This is just directly opposite the Independence Stadium, as you can see right there. So yes, this guy also have to cease his business as of today, and he will have to move all these cars away from here because starting today he is not allowed to operate his car dealing business here anymore. You can see there's a lot of cars here.
Okay. One detail. You take command on a natam.
I'm going to command. I'm going to be the minister. I'm going to move from command. I'm going to come. The sons I knew the scale no yaso no scale no maso no. And you jump from Gaza. A scale not like you will come over with me from some other mission. That's I interfere with him. From years to now, I'm not. Ni meso sa nga bon jen sa mbasa ba mun tole parce que bu tole mo wa non ko ni automatique kasiti mais bien sûr tin de so ko ni sama sin na contact c'est pour me le ko mo do ni kama de fon tan be jen saka da ngi sam ba faji ko la fo
yaram bi ma diamo de la nga ba non ko
ha dia mo man
ela moy okay sa nga fe ya moy ko ma faale motol be nyanta bola janne 24 hours nyola mo fo ko Aldo ko that ale ada take bondi kili demanding within the 24 hours. But ababana min na wotuta motola siala bu. Ya understand. Bon ani ibe effort ni murunta na ngaje ko ibe kato ke kana ko ke move. Police will just come here time ya hajo. But ni na ta ya tara be nyam ngatu nyamenta ngatara wanya meaning you are not doing anything. Ya understand. Wala nanko within 24 hours ale ada albe minka. You start moving. Huh? Ngamara ngawol. All right? Yeah man. So start doing that between Nyimbe Tosa Etala and start doing that ale move yam. Okay. Lulu correct. Ken dula bay nga nekkat yeen. So bala everyday police di ñew di la yobu. Li ngay dem fay ci nguur gi moy opal li ngay forante. Bala lolu ritante bobu. Bala lolu gënal sa bagage fi nga dem wuti place. All right? Today li yekale li ngay def ni today start parking galon yi bidon yi bugu ñoo ñewat ñu fekkaleen fi all right pack everything nga dem uti place nga joggé ci kaw yoon because mécanique garage bi ngay gis ñi yépp ñu ngay joggé fi mënu ñoo nekk fi ni génné nañ ñi yépp fi ni so yow tam mënu lo nekk fi okay jërëjëf okay yow la bay place légui ni bi ni da ngeen ko wacce right now okay li ci kaw yoon bi la all right car park bi dafa joggé fi communicate with him. All right now, the regular model. Tomorrow, suma ñëwaatee dama ñëwaat suma tootro. Dama buddi gi auto yi di la ñëw. So make sure auto yi tomorrow dara bu mu fi nekk. Fii du keram, xoolal nu mu started the fence ni. Kenn moomut fii, this is the road corridor. Fence bi fële la ci boppi koñ bi la. All right? So if you start doing this, suñ ko bàyyee ne kenn waxaat ko. Next time it's going to be a block. Man ma moom fii, that is not right. So auto yi yen gene auto yi fini tomorrow bala ma ñew bi mom has to go down now it has to go down so communicate whoever mu santa kan la xama ko mo santa naka ñi ñew gene li waye dafa dañ ko wacce legi
the problem is
yes
mom demala dem ni
wow
I'm taking care
yes
so I'm the secretary here
yes.
So when I have no right I have no
wow why yang communicate ak mom mota mo bayla fi as security
yeah.
What I am telling you what ko lolu no mu assign people to bring this thing down equally ñu gene auto yi fini lola la
I'll talk
all right please
I'll call him.
waaw jox ñu turam kii dina la jël
Mr. Tal, Farman Tal.
waaw ak téléphone number Boya yes
So guys, this as well is also another car park. Right now here in Bakau, we are still in Bakau. This is another car park. So it's like all these people are in the illegal encroachment area, the road corridor per se. So he's also been ordered to cease business immediately and move away the cars from here. He actually claims that he doesn't own the place. His boss traveled, but he will communicate it to him that the Operation Clear the Road team made a visit here and business has to stop and these cars have to be moved away from here.
Just taking care. I'm a trained soldier, ex-soldier. I was in the service for many years. Bagasi, apa bagasi na kasi bigo? Muna nyo yaw. Ano bagasi na kasi? Alto, dari. Aga mo mujja kale. Elkawar, inga dekat. Mo ko mo mujja kale. Buka. Hey.
Sandali ba jina no hay nivel jolona.
Yeah.
I'm seeing the material that you are putting on the road.
Yeah.
All right, it is not right. All right. You have a permit for this structure?
Yeah.
Where is this permit? Gasama, you deal with him with the permit. Auto in Indian, auto in Yes. Lola la wax ni.
Ma sa fence di fale.
Fence baa ngi nii. Mooy pila bi.
Fence bi leen ko.
No, you are not leaving a space. This one is part of the building.
Waaw lii mooy
Okay.
Lola la perron bi dafa bokk ci building. Ah? Lu ñu wax ni you should have a space. Sa fence line bi meaning you at least you build somewhere around there. Why not exactly on the fence line?
comme si gannaaw fence bi.
Wow. You
Bro.
need some space.
Ma ngi amé ya ngi amé sob ya encore ren. Anga mas mako koy jël ma ngi amé moto de. So legi fa lay park.
On the road.
Ya ma joss sob bi. Ah? Si yoon bi la dem park. Te yoon bi ñu yëpp ko bokk.
I think what you are building is more than what is approved for you.
Yeah.
What do you?
Lo na nga di samba.
Some, you have one. Not have the space. No, that's it. One, two, three. You have this here. You have the huh? You have how many? One. How many? Three now. One,